Hey, welcome back, it's your boy Heatah and the flow sick with the whole fever.
It's your boy Hustla, you know that we live. Now drop a like and be sure to subscribe.
We're back, reacting to One Piece, and believe it, we're truly excited to witness the legend of Luffy, cause he's on a mission to prove he's the king of the pirates. Much love to Calico Mac, we thank you for giving your pledge. Now enough of the track, it's time to react, we're ready for what happens next.
Period.
Should I talk about it? Right, already guilty. Empty court. No trial needed. Headquarters. Ooh.
Hey, look. Oh.
Nothing but thugs.
Underwater, though.
Yeah, it's bad. We gotta get her back. Wow, Nami. You can't catch the puffin' tongue. Oh, you just shouldn't go there. Oh, facts. It's
Normal
suicide.
pirates.
Right. Yes. For Robin, yes.
Like button, please. We didn't ask for yours or yours.
Still in the ship. And then they got crashed with the waves.
Oh, it's about to get violent.
Gotta get that man a ship.
Yeah, for real. Right.
That spiritual wave. Yeah, I don't want that smoke neither. Polly's ready to get cracked. Sit down, Polly.
Baby,
you gotta fight everybody. And you solo dolo battered. Think about it, Polly.
She got a ship. She gonna ride him in another train.
Roll with your girl. Since you're going to Annie's. They got a spare train.
Just like that.
No hole in his blood. He's really thugging right now.
I'm gonna walk through nice and calm. Hopefully y'all don't say nothing.
What are they doing over there? Right, the ops right here in front of me.
What's in those bags?
That's what I'm trying to figure out. Always.
Oh yeah. This is an easy one.
Yeah.
No, you're
just to walk by everybody.
Operation Play Innocent did not work. Oh.
Friends, perfect. Twins. Battle twins.
Oh, I messed up his L.
Instantly. Put that twist on it. Bye-bye. They tried it, though.
That was a good try.
Everything was in unison.
Oh, I better hit up Nami here.
Set them free first.
Ain't got nothing to do with neither one of them. In his own mind.
Former friends. Them slums.
Oh, you get stomped there. Oh, we've been looking for Frantic.
Our long nose. Yeah, your brother.
Natural reaction.
That's my dog, bruh. Set me free. Come on, mister.
I need a favor. Ooh, I'm mad at
Yeah,
you.
he did steal the 200 million.
Oh, hold up. Y'all don't yell too loud.
Right.
Oh, God.
Oh,
We're about
that's
to make a
right,
commotion. They are yelling too much. Stupid idiots. Stupid idiots.
I'll handle it. T-Bone.
Oh, Lord.
Come on,
Oh,
T-Bone.
look at him. Roman armor.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Captain T-Bone with the man. What is he working on? Oh, the train. He was already on it. Dang. He knew ahead of time they needed the train.
Mm-hmm. Because ain't no ship gonna make it.
Right.
It's got to be Puffin Tom material. She only gonna walk.
Facts.
Mm-hmm. Need the keys, dummy.
Let's get it. With the crocodile mouth.
All right.
It's got her face. Facts. The life y'all live.
They some dummies for real.
Mm-hmm.
They don't care. Thank you, sir. Oh, it goes 100 miles per hour and don't stop. You could run into the back of the other train.
Ice pops.
Wait, we need some more folks. Where's the rest of the crew?
We just missing Nami. That boy tired and hungry.
Yeah, been bled a lot. Some meat.
That's what Nami's getting. Got the food.
Oh,
Yup.
yeah.
Big girl place. That was doing it all for Nami.
That train wheezing, bruh.
Food, nigga. Already on it. Whoa!
And tricks for Zoro.
Oh, she out here with us. Turn up, Kokoro. Facts. It's too dangerous. Thinking about Frankie.
Real talk. He's a savage.
Ooh, I like the way that sounds. She already speaking it into existence. Get our brother back, please, man.
They're gonna ride. They've been embarrassed, though. They know about CP9. They want to ride, too, for Frankie.
I don't know, man. Right, that's our brother.
Oh, look at the sisters back there, too. Crazy how things come around full circle.
Facts. Made a life of living hell. Started with y'all.
Gonna drop to a knee. Wow. They might make a play.
They might. Willing to die for Frankie.
We're not sharing our food, though.
Yeah,
Come on, then.
ASAP.
He's a real one.
They can't see us.
For real.
Man.
He means that.
Facts. What they on the Yagatas? Oh, the King Bulls.
They
So they about to hit your rod.
Yeah.
Oh, perfect.
They got some way of making it. King Bulls.
It's them big old whales.
You hear it wheezing?
Huh? Talking about the ship?
Yeah. The train.
Yeah.
They got a hoopty
train.
for real.
Got him a rod. At the front, of course. He out there like Lieutenant Dan, bro.
Oh, Paulie. Snuck on.
Don't know why he being so sneaky. We ready.
You got a little buzz.
Fact. That's what that was.
Oh, man. Insanity.
That ain't safe.
Yeah, I'm trying to tell you. It's
He
a
can't
hoopty, bro.
swim.
Through the Aqua Laguna now.
Right, he need to get endorsed though.
For real. Getting everything back. Let's go.
Give it all back. Everything.
Ooh. Usopp too. Everything.
Facts.
Is that your pirate friend?
Former friends. Right, in unison too. Dang. But then he done heard the name of Frankie. Stomped him out on behalf of Usopp.
Yeah, he did.
Oh, that makes you did to our brother, bro. We in a situation. Yeah.
In front of him.
Right.
He's like, bro, I'm trying to tell you, he cool, man. Like that happen, man.
What if we all gotta fight different bosses? That would be crazy. Usopp's gotta fight.
Yeah.
Does he got the bag on him? I wonder what would happen if Frankie used that move he used. The Coupe de Vent.
Ooh.
On the train, though.
Blast everything up there, guys.
All the carts. Nah, he can't do that, though. Robin's in there.
Then again, he can't do it to the puffing Tom. My daddy built this.
He been trying to demolish that ship for years. He tried to demolish that train a long time ago.
Yeah, he did step in front of it. Crazy guy.
And they talked about it, too.
Yeah, they did.
If he can survive that, he can survive this.
He is not dead, but don't you worry, Iceberg.
Yeah, because you can see the pain on Iceberg, the concern.
Yeah.
That's his brother, man.
He knows somebody crazy enough to go out there, so let me go ahead and work on this train. He'll get here eventually.
That was a big play because Kokodo said the train ain't been touched in like 12 years.
And it's one of the earlier models of the Puffin Tom.
Right, the unstable one. The speed demon.
That means it just goes, bro. Ain't no brakes on this thing.
Polly was ready to fight to prevent the Straw Hats, one, from going out here and committing suicide. It ain't safe. You gonna kill yourself just trying to take any ship. It don't matter how good the ship is. They don't survive regular lagoons. This one's different. But then he was ready to fight on the fact that if you do make it out there, you got the Navy's headquarters and the entrance, and then you got Alcatraz. Ain't nobody leaving that. Nami talked about the gates of justice. Once you step in there, empty courtroom, no lawyer needed. Nigga, you guilty.
So our only option is to go ahead and set sail now so we can stop the doors from closing. We gotta get them and see them on the train.
Imagine they actually get in there, go through the gates of justice. We gotta break them out. That's where Garp is. And Kobe and Hillary Poe.
That's where he chilling?
Yeah, Navy headquarters, right there in Annie's lobby. I don't know what's gonna happen.
Yeah,
I really don't. I have no clue. I don't know if we're gonna catch up with the ship in time and fight on the ship on the Puffin Tom.
Yeah, and we gotta train us fast enough to do it.
Listen, Sanji, Frankie, and Usopp, we on a train with some killers in CP9. That's a big boy problem still. It's hard to predict what's gonna happen. I was thinking the Mary was gonna take us there. Crush that dream. Good episode. Looking forward to the next. Holla at your boys. We're out. Peace.
I'm building a legacy, pour some liquor for all of these beasts that are resting in peace. Not looking for fame, just making my claim. I won't be here long, I'm just keeping it brief. I'm in my own lane and I'm doing my thing, cause the flow has been diagnosed with the disease. There is no need